Hello everyone, this is the third video showing what our P.O.B Sailing Boat app is. Now, it is ongoing to develop and we expect to launch on this December.
Let's get in more details. This is an agenda what I show you. First, what, then how. It is also same overview as the real estate business we introduced on the second video.
As you can see on number 2 highlight in red, P.O.B is placed between overseas manufacturer, agent, domestic agent, customers in Korea. Those persons we verified by P.O.B and some proof document you can see on our platform, such as a letter of credit, evaluation of the company, and so on. Therefore, you can get a deal with them on reliable platform we provide.
This is an overview from first display logo in to selling boat you select. As per your selection, it will be going on to your right selling boat you are looking for. First, you select what type of outlook is, then length of yacht, finally the price level you desire.
Also, you can select new boat or used boat. For light selection, we provide more detailed information for you. One more time, we want to ask of you how to make a deal.
That's a simple question. Through the platform P.O.B provide, make a deal. Here is an introduction in Korean, how to find out selling boat as per your selection. These two pages will be for customers in Korea. This is first page. This is second page for customer in Korean. And plus, here is showing how to install the real estate app on the Android market. First, searching for P.O.B, then installation. Last, logo in of Selling Boat app.
Thank you so much for watching this short introduction video. We are waiting for your feedback. P.O.B is always with you and your future. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.